Congratulations, if you have also received this type of mail with subject, congratulations, you are now enrolled in the Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator Program 2026 because your profile is now verified. Okay, in this video, I'll be explaining every section of this email and show you exactly what you need to do the next. Okay, so hi everyone, welcome back to Campus Ninjas. I am Adil, your Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator. So the first thing that you will notice in this message is saying that you have got enrolled in the Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator program. This means Google has successfully verified your registration details, including your like public profiles and gear requirements. Okay, so you are now officially part of this program. Okay, now comes the most important part of this email. That is the get 750 credits. Google Cloud provides every enrolled participant with free Google Cloud credits, and these credits are very required to complete the hands-on labs on a skill basis. Okay, and without activating them you can't continue in this program. So the first instruction is saying that you have to open in incognito mode. It is very important that you have to make sure that you are just clicking and opening this link in a private browser window. Okay, so I am just clicking a right click. You just have to right click on this link. Please click on this open link in incognito window. Okay, so when you will be clicking this, it will show that just enter your code. Google is providing a special lab link to us. Okay, with a unique access code of that. So you have to just copy this access code from here. Please make sure that you are not copying any another space here. It can only be used once and it is linked specifically to your account only. So now you have to come to the incognito mode and now you have to paste your code that you have copied. You just have to click on I'm not a robot. Just click on submit. So after clicking on submit, it will show a tour of Google Cloud hands-on labs. You have to open this lab. After opening this, you have to just click on sign in button. So after this, I will be just going back to the tour of Google Cloud hands-on labs. Okay. So you have to just start it. Just click on the start button, then it will show a reCAPTCHA again. After this, it will be opening the lab. So now you have to open this Google Cloud Console. Okay. So you have to open this. You can just click on the right click and then just click on open link in new tab. Okay. You have to just come back to the tour lab. Then you just have to copy the username. Just paste here. Just click on enter. Then you have to copy the password. Just paste here. Just click on next. So you can log in this lab. Okay, so after logging in it will be asking that you have to do these things. Okay, so just coming back to the lab, it will show what is your understanding for the test. Okay, so it is asking, you can just like put all the things same that I am just sharing. The first task is access the cloud console. So when we are logging in here, no, so you just have to agree the term of service and just click on agree and continue, and then you will be on cloud console. So it is the cloud console. You can see here also it is the Google Cloud Console. Okay, so you have to now view projects in the cloud console. So you can just click here. It is showing here the project info or like my project info it is showing now. Do all the things in this lab only and make sure that you are using the 5 minutes in this lab. Like you are giving the 5 minutes time at least to complete this lab. Otherwise, maybe you will be not able to get the credits. So now you have to come to the navigation menu and services. So you can see all the products here. Okay, so the third task is review and modify roles and permissions. Okay, so you just have to come back to the console. You just have to go to the IAM and admin. You have to just open the IAM. You have to make sure that you are granting the IAM role to this. you have to copy this email. This is the new email that you'll be getting here. So you have to come here. You just have to click on grant access. After this, you just have to put the email here. Just click on enter so it can take the email. Okay, and then you have to select a role, then assign roles and click viewer. Okay, so you have to give the viewer role to him. Okay, so you can just click and like copy and paste the viewer role here, and now just click on save button. Okay, so it will be updating the policy, and you can see here that it has been updated now as a. So now you just have to click on check my progress so it can check the progress that you have done or not. So it is showing it has not been done for me because I have just done and just clicking on check my progress. Please wait for 10 to 15 seconds at least so it can see the assessment completed. Okay, now it is showing the assessment completed. So now you have to enable the APIs and services for this. Okay. So you have to just go to the APIs and services, then library. Okay. So you have to just go to the navigation menu, then API and services, then library. Okay. So you have to open the library. Now I have to search the dialog flow here. Okay. So I'm just searching here the dialog flow. So it will showing a dialog flow API. We just have to enable this. Okay, it will be disabled by default. We have to enable it. So like we can do the next process. Okay, so we have to enable it and then we have to check the progress, that what is the progress for this. Okay, so after 10 to 15 seconds, when we'll be clicking the check my progress, it will be showing assessment completed. Okay, true. Okay, the first option is correct. So now we have to end your lab. Okay, so congratulations. In just like 5 to 7 minutes, we have completed this lab. On the top, you just have to come, and it is showing the 38 minutes left. Here it is showing the score that what we have done. So after scoring the 100 by 100 and like giving the 5 minutes at least time, it will be completed. Now we can just end it. Okay, then we have to go to the credits. Here it will be showing the credits. So we just have to click on the 9 credits. Okay, so now we can see that the 750 credits has been like we have redeemed the 750 credits successfully. So it will take a few seconds time. If you will be refreshing again, if you like it is not credited to you, you just have to refresh this page. Automatically, it will be credited. Okay, so that's what I had to explain. You can see here that we are the facilitator, like I, Adil Latif, and Soumya Muskan are the facilitator for you. Now you have to earn this arcade gear badge. Okay. So like it will take hardly 10 to 15 seconds if you are not done it already. But I think you have already got it, so you don't have to care about it. That's what the email was saying about it. So I hope this video helped you understand exactly what to do after receiving your enrollment email. Okay, so if you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the Campus Ninja's YouTube channel, and share this video with your friends who are participating in the Google Cloud Arcade. So if you have any questions, you can also join our WhatsApp community or visit our website also. This is our website, and all the links are available in the description below. So thanks for the watching. I will see you in the next video.